We got a direct shop request today for a 2-year-old little boy. And I think we'll send him a sweatshirt. And he likes trucks and sports. So we'll send him a little Christmas shirt. Let's see. Here's another cute little truck shirt. And we will get a few little pairs of winter pants for him. And what little boy doesn't like Mickey Mouse? No, but maybe he'd like that one better. We'll get that too. And we picked out a winter coat, hat, and a blanket. And we have a backpack, a bear, some Hot Wheels, socks, shoes, and a book, and a few other goodies to throw in there too.